This 2020 Grand Design Reflection 28BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Pasco, Washington, 99301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Pasco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.